Bonjour! Today we are going to practice our preposition a. A for apple with a line like that, you know, the one you see over there. So, a. We're going to learn only the very basic a, the one which is necessary for a DELF A1 or the very beginner student. Okay, you wanna say the name of the place, like a city's name where you stay at, or a place where you are currently. Suppose you are at a bank, you're at a university, you're at a school. That same way, there you use a. In French you use a. In English you can use in, on, whatever, but in French it's always a. Like I wanna say, I live at New York. It's current in English it's going to be like, you know, I live in New York, but in French it is I live at New York. J'habite à New York. J'habite à New York. So that is the first thing. J'habite à New York. Where you're staying in a city, you just use the preposition a, and directly right after the preposition you use the name of the city you are living in. But in French it is living at. Preposition a in French, it is going to be giving you the two meanings, like at, on, in. Three, it means three. At, on, in. On is very rare, at and in. So I want to say I am in library. In English it is in, definitely, but in French it is I am at library. Je suis à la bibliothèque. Je suis à la bibliothèque. I will have to put the article right in front of the bibliothèque, library. Bibliothèque is feminine, so therefore I will have to mention my article, whether it is a female or a masculine word. J'habite à la bibliothèque. Okay, I want to say I am at the discotheque. I mean the disco, you know, the pub, club. So you'll say je suis à la discothèque. Discothèque word is also feminine, but if your name of the place is a masculine place, like I want to say I am at the hospital right now. Okay, hospital, al ending words are all masculine words, so I say a plus le becomes o. A plus le, which is masculine, so it becomes o, but a and la for females remains as it is. You don't change that. So I am at the hospital. Je suis au hôpital. I want to say I go to the hospital. Okay, very simple sentences, very simple. I go to the hospital. Je vais au hôpital. Je vais au hôpital. Right? I want to say I go to the office. Office word is ending up with au. So that is also going to become a plus le is equal to au for office. So I'll say je vais au bureau. Je vais au bureau. I go to the office. So that is going to become like that. So that is a very basic thing you learn about a. You use it with the name of the city, or you use it with the name of the place directly. It is just going to become from a simple to o whenever it is going to come in front of some masculine place's name. Second case, when you tell time. Okay, I come at 11. Okay, that is your wish. You want to say in the morning or in the evening, like night time, you know. Okay, with the place, a city's name, or at the place's direct name. Third, you use it with time. A is used with time. I want to say I come at 11 today. Okay, so je arrive, it is going to become j'arrive à 11h. I don't want to say that it's evening or morning. So j'arrive à 11h. Right? I want to say I come at 14 in the evening. 14, definitely it's going to be like 2. Okay, so I will say j'arrive à 14h. Is going to have S in the ending because 14 hours. Okay, so j'arrive à 11h. Correct? You use this one with time, city's name, place's name, and with the time. Now, fourth one, we are going to use it with price. Price. I want to say this table is for 200 euros. Ce tableau est à 200 euros. Right with the name of, right with the price you use, right in front of that number you're going to give, you use à. C'est à 20 euros, c'est à 30 euros, c'est à 50 euros. Anything. You can name the thing right in the beginning. Okay, next you use this one with the direction. So this is the last one. You use a with the directions. I want to say il est à droite. I want to say I walk to the left. I walk to the left. Je marche à gauche. Je marche à gauche. Right? City's name A, place's name A. It becomes O when there is A plus le, like in hospital and in office, bureau. Third, you use it with a price, and then you use it with the directions. That is how you use A. Correct? We are not going to go into the details. This is it. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.